Exterior door paint peeling can totally wreck your home's first impression, but fixing it yourself is way easier than you think. So, if your exterior door paint is peeling, the first thing to do is sand down those rough spots to get a smooth surface. Use medium grit sandpaper to knock off the old peeling paint without damaging the wood underneath. After sanding, wipe the door clean with a damp cloth to remove dust and debris. Next, grab a good quality exterior primer and apply a thin, even coat. This helps the new paint stick better and last longer. Once the primer is dry, use exterior grade paint designed to withstand weather changes and apply at least 2 coats for solid coverage. Don't forget to paint in the direction of the wood grain for a smoother finish. Make sure you pick a day when it's dry and not too hot or cold so the paint cures properly. Lastly, be patient and let each coat dry fully before adding the next one to avoid peeling again. One of the biggest mistakes with peeling exterior door paint is skipping the sanding step, which leaves behind loose paint that just makes the new coat peel even faster. Fix it by taking your time to sand thoroughly until everything feels smooth. Another common problem is using indoor paint instead of exterior paint, which isn't made to handle rain, sun, and temperature swings. Always choose paint labeled for outdoor use. Also, rushing the drying process by painting in bad weather or not letting each layer dry completely will mess up your finish. Just wait it out on good weather days and follow drying times on the paint can. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors when you want pros to handle home fixes like this. Plus, if you are a contractor looking for steady work, it's a great platform to connect with homeowners who need your skills.